That's kind of funny. That's dark enough still at like 5 o'clock for the street lights to come on. Yeah, I'm not going out there in that shit. There you go. You can take the camera out there. Oh damn! Did you see that piece? Things. Oh shit, dude. That's like big. Whoa! Did you see that one? Wow. I wonder if I got that. Which one? That one? No. Which one? Where?
Look that one.
Where? Oh. Oh, that big one? Okay. There's a big piece right there. Yeah. Man, I'm gonna go get it all. Dude, so at least I'll be a little. Oh, shit.
Fuck that, I ain't doing
Yeah, fuck that. Jeez. Whoa. Holy crap. Jeez. Wow. That looks like a gobstopper, dude.